Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily reset network settings on your iPhone 17 Pro. At first you have to tap on the settings and open them. Here scroll down to the general. In general, scroll all the way down till you see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap it and here tap on reset. Reset all settings, network settings. Or as you can see we have a couple more, but ours is the second one. Tap it, enter your passcode, and now tap this red button over here. Of course it will delete all your made network settings, but I think that you wanted that, so yes. And that's it, hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Wait a moment, we need to have our iPhone turned on. It's rebooting right now. And goodbye!